Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Khayelihle Shezi. Ngiqhamuka eTuzuma. I'm here to introduce my business. The name of the company is Cocaine Car Care Products. So basically, what do we do in this cocaine business? I know a lot of people think it's about pushing drugs and stuff, basically, which is not. We chose the name for a different type of thing. So kahle kahle la ibhizinisi lidayisa insipho zowash imoto, lidayisa ama-perfume owash imoto, lidayisa polish, your car care products basically. Or dashboard silicone, we manufacture our own stuff. Siyayimixela izinto, siyayihlanganisela izinto nama-perfume, siyayihlanganisela, even i-branding siyazenzela. So basically ibhizinisi saliqalela ukuthi emalokishini abantu abanama-carwash abakwazi ukuthi izinto bayithole ngokushesha. Like let's say mhlawumbe besephelelwe insipho umuntu yokwasha imoto and sekuyintambama and sekufuneka agibele yabo, kodwa ngoba sesifikile thina lento kanje sizokwazi ukuthi siyithole kuthina. Yeah, nalabantu sasenzela nalabantu abangathandi-ke futhi, especially those people who don't want to go ema-car wash. Khona abantu abathanda ukuyiwashela bona imoto, like umuntu eyithandela nje uyiwashela yena imoto engayisi car wash. So kahle kahle thina siletha ama-products kulabo bantu abakanjalo. So basically I started the business just after COVID, so I wanted some extra cash. So I thought ukuthi yini engayenza engiyithandayo, because imoto ngiyayithanda, ngumuntu wemoto vele yabo. And I thought ukuthi why not ukuthi ngingagxili kwi-business lama-car care products, because into eyenziwayo manje abantu bayayithanda imoto ezinhle, kunama-car wash since sila kwa-Max nathi abantu bayayithanda imoto ezinhle. So I came up with this idea and then I started ukuthi ngidayise iy'nsipho, ngaphusha ngey'nsipho and then ngaqhubeka kwaba ama-perfume and then nje kusafuna uku-implementa nezinye izinto basically, because phela ukuwasha imoto it's not ukuthi insipho kuphela or i-perfume yodwa. Uyadinga upolishi, uyadinga usilicone, udinga izinto ey'ningi ukuthi imoto ibe clean. It's not ukuthi udinga amanzi kuphela for a car to be clean. So yeah, so nje mina mfethu I'm here for you guys ukuthi nginike the best quality products you can ever think of. The best soap-based wax. I-wax yami yenza ukuthi imoto ibenye, yenza ukuthi inegwebu. Ama-perfume ami guarantee guys, guarantee. Ama-flavor ami awatholakali ndawo. Nginama-flavor ayi-ghost, le sweet cherry, khona enye engiyishiyile kuthiwa i-pina colada abantu abayithandayo. Yeah, so ngizonisupply abafethu ningakhululeke. On Facebook you can search Khayelihle, kuzovela ama-products Khayelihle on Facebook, that is Khayelihle. And ngokuhlala siseTuzuma la silenzela khona ibhizinisi, asikakabi ne-office ne-warehouse, so I'm still doing the business at home. So if ungidinga, you can you can go on Facebook, khona number yami lapho, which is 067-103-6908, number yami tholakala lapho. And then mungifonela if useduze mhlambe kwala ngihlala khona, that is useNanda and useTuzuma, I do free deliveries for specifically those places because baseduze kwami and ukuthi ngenza ukuthi ama-customer futhi ejabule.